This is a short movie where we show a Suzuki GSX1400 ECU that works again after a repair. Here you can see the input signal the simulation computer generates for the ECU. We diagnosed the ECU with the Texa TxB. Here you can see the opened ECU after the repair and before it is sealed again. This is the injector signal from injector 3 that was defect. And one of the two ignition coil signals. This is the diagnose screen from the Texa software. Is your ECU defect? Contact us in the Netherlands or look at our website www.ecudoctor.com.